someone isn't. Why the fuck bring their dog to fireworks? Let's just get dogs and arms and let's fireworks.
That one was so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I like the pink.
I just
Let's
want
get you.